Unfortunately, my headlights are out or too dim to really be functional. And the one that I picked, it's an LED light. And so it's going to be brighter, work a little bit better than what I had before. Obviously, this is specific to your vehicle, but I want to show you how I do it on my 2012 Highlander Limited two-wheel drive. I think I said all those facts right. But I'm going to assume for purposes of this video that you know how to get your hood up, and then I'm going to walk you through how to do it. You're also going to want to check your manufacturer's book in order to find out what kind of bulb that you need. Mine is an H11. H is in Harry 11. The very first step is right here. As you can see right in here, there's this little thing that you twist. And you twist it counterclockwise, and it's right next to the battery. And then you pull it out, and you can see this light bulb right here. Putting on these gloves, they came with my bulbs. You really don't want to get any dirt on the bulb itself, so that's why I'm wearing these. But if you will look in here, I'm going to use a screwdriver for it. You just put it down into this little piece right here, and this helps to loosen it up, kind of move that plastic so that you can slide this out. Like so. So this is my new bulb, and I had to ask my husband if this was the right one because it doesn't look like a light bulb, but this is the LED bulb, and then it has a plug part on the end, and so you're going to stick it right back into this plug. Just put it back together, and you kind of feel it snap together. So that's the next step. Then you're going to go ahead and put it right back where you were. Hang on, if you can. So I'm trying to show on here, as you see that there are these little notches in silver here. They have to line up with the little notch holes on this part. So that is what I'm trying to line up and then twist. There, did I do it? So I just put it in there. It feels really secure, so I'm going to assume I did it right. I'm going to turn on my car. Let's see how it looks. So here you can see the one on the right has the LED light. The left one does not, just so you can kind of see the difference. This one's going to be a lot brighter. This is why I'm changing it out. And there you go. Now I have them both changed out. They do match each other, and aren't they beautiful? Look what I did all by myself. I am the Modern Millennial. Follow me for how-tos and pearls of wisdom.